Everyone goes to Japan for the neon lights of Shinjuku, but we went for the hidden snow villages, the abandoned mountain hotels, and even a literal English town in the middle of Kyoto. This was 10 days of chasing a better life across Japan. After one night in Tokyo, we picked up our keys to the rental and headed straight for the mountain. Takayama felt like stepping back in time. The barbecue was easily the best meal of the trip, but the real goal is just outside the city, called the Squirrel Forest. Unfortunately, no squirrels today. Maybe they were hiding from the cold. However, flying through these woods made up for it. Day 6 was the heaviest drone day. We found 4 spots that felt like 4 different countries. One minute we're in the softest snow I've ever seen. The next we're on a silent coastline facing North Korea. And then there's this, a forgotten hotel hidden in the mountains. This is why FPV drones were invented. Kyoto is a must-see, even if the drone stays in the bag. But on the way to Osaka, we found something we didn't even know existed. We took a wrong turn and drove past a literal English village. No one was around, so I sent up the drone to explore. It actually felt like a glitch in the system. Universal Osaka is hands down one of the best theme parks I've ever seen. And this is coming from someone that actually really likes Europa Park. 10 days wasn't enough, but it is time to trade the snow with the tropics. Bali will come for you.